Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream stick. First, let's understand the basic science. The right balance of ingredients is key to achieving that perfect, firm consistency. We'll explore how fat, sugar, and air all play vital roles in creating ice cream that holds its shape beautifully. Getting these elements just right ensures a delightful, scoopable treat every time. Achieving the ideal texture starts with precise ingredient ratios. For a rich, stable ice cream, aim for a milk-fat content between 14% and 18%. Sugar content should be around 15% to 20% to prevent excessive hardness. Incorporating a small amount of stabilizer, like 1/4 of a teaspoon of guar gum per quart, can significantly improve the ice cream's ability to hold its shape. Proper churning and freezing are essential for a firm, scoopable ice cream. Ensure your base is very cold, ideally 35 degrees F or 2 degrees C, before churning. Churn until the mixture reaches the consistency of soft serve, which usually takes 20 to 30 minutes. Then, transfer it to an airtight container and freeze it rapidly at a temperature below 0 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 4 hours to achieve optimal firmness. To keep your ice cream smooth and firm, preventing ice crystals is crucial. Always store your ice cream in an airtight container to protect it from air exposure and freezer burn. Adding a small amount of alcohol, like 1 tablespoon of vodka per quart, can help lower the freezing point and inhibit crystal formation. Store it deep in your freezer, away from the door, for a more consistent temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.